Hey guys, so today, this is Monday, the 23rd, and I'm going to be going over with you digging up nutrients. So we'll go ahead and open this up. So first off, you see this is really talking about plant nutrients, and what that is really what the plants need in order to survive. They need nutrients, so they need things in the soil in order to be able to survive. So talks about these nutrients. There's macronutrients and micronutrients, and you're going to be learning about those. So using your computer, you're going to be able to use these resources that are linked here or anything else that you find, and you're going to be filling out this here. Now, what I'm probably going to do, and I'm going to just go ahead and do this. I'm going to make this a landscape, and so this should share with you just like that, so you should be fine. But anyway, so what you're going to do with this is you're going to find the primary macronutrients, what their functions are in plants, deficiency symptoms, and where do they get that nutrient. You're also going to look up secondary nutrients. So you're going to find those and put those there. So with this, you're finding three macronutrients and looks like three excuse me. You're finding three primary macronutrients and three secondary macronutrients. And I can't talk today. So that's what you're doing, and you've really got 2 days to do this. So you have Monday and Tuesday to finish this out. But I want this chart to actually be filled in. So what do those things do in plants? What are deficiency symptoms? What are the sources? And also make sure you answer conclusion questions in complete sentences. All right, so that's all I have to say. And if you have questions, don't forget 1 to 1:30 is my time that I'm online. So with that being said, bye for now.